Hi, I'd like to thank you for taking the time out of your schedule to learn more about how you, as an AV tech, can earn the income that you desire in this industry. I have been in the business for over 20 years, started off in theater, um, worked my way up to working in nightclubs, some of the biggest nightclubs in New York City, from Palladium nightclub to Webster Hall to Sound Factory, you name it, I've been there. And what made me stand out outside of all these other lighting guys in New York City was my character, and my ability to produce and work with DJs and managers and the owners, etc., to produce the effects that they were looking for in those environments. Now today, fast forward, I've done theaters, as in nightclubs. I've worked in live events, corporate events, to the point I've actually opened up my own business in New York City. I have an event staging production company, which you're seeing the website here. But what I want to show you is over the years, I've seen so many people like myself come into this industry with either a bachelor's degree and even a master's degree in this business. But one thing that they lack and don't fully understand or was not taught to them is how much money can you really make in this industry? That one thing is what's not being taught. And it's only once you get in this circle or this bubble of people that you know in the technician in this industry, and it's a very small network. Everybody knows somebody else. I mean, don't think that, oh, because I work in Florida or New York City or Chicago or somewhere, people don't know each other. It's a very small network, I assure you. So what we're going to do in this e-learning environment is teach you as a technician or a designer or sound person or rigger, whatever you are, whatever field that you have an interest in going into, how much money can you really make in a day or a week or a month? If it's hourly, how much is that? If it's this other part that you're not aware of, which we're going to teach, you're going to see how it's mind-blowing. I shared this with a gentleman. I met him about maybe 2 years ago. He came into in the environment where I was working at one of these hotels in New York City. He was a security guard with a bachelor's degree in the event technology space. And I asked him, and he said, I'm looking for a job. I've been trying for all this time, giving out resumes all over different places. Long story short, I asked him one question. I said, what are you looking to earn? And he told me a number. I think it was like $25 an hour. If I can make that, that would be great. And I shared with him this other concept, and he had no clue what I was talking about. But fast forward 2 years later, this guy is making more money in a day than it took him to work as a security guard in 2 weeks. So he quit the industry of being a security guard. It's so powerful, and you have to understand this. So to learn more, if you watch this on YouTube, click on my description area for a link. It will take you to a page. You may see another video. It's going to ask you for your name and an email address, and from there we're going to send you some information. You're going to get access to this same page here. We have a login page where you're going to see videos or audios interviewed by different people in this industry and what the kind of income that they earn. And then you're going to get a good perspective of what it's going to take for you to earn that kind of money over the course of time. So that's what I want to share with you, and that's my giving back to the industry of people that look like me and think that $20 an hour or $25 an hour is great. No, there's another way you can make money, and it's way more than what you think. Talk to you soon.